Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. You've got something on your windshield, bro. How do these people get their driver's license? I need your opinion on this. If you cut someone off, at least maybe floor it so you don't cause them to run into you.
And probably most notably at UCLA.
Okay, so what does the union want from the UC system?
So the union is asking to essentially remedy the
You gotta be
unfair labor
kidding me.
practices it says are impacting its working conditions. So this includes reestablishing
Good night.
a safe work environment.
Defensive driving saves the day again. This guy has his own personal lane. Guy running from cops crashes through my parents' yard. The quality of this clip is almost as bad the driver's vision.
No, what's going on? Hey, we need to go. Like, what are you doing? Dude.
This idiot doesn't realize their lane is an off-ramp and almost hits me.
Almost a century of colonial rule, India didn't want to get drawn into the superpower clash of the Cold War. It's just because India believes in a policy known as strategic autonomy. You know how there are some people who are, India believes in a policy known as strategic autonomy. You know how there are some people who are all about brand loyalty and only buy products and nothing.
Near side collision, running me into other lane. This driver made eye contact before committing. What would you do when you have an idiot like it in front of you? This idiot decides he has to teach that left lane camper a lesson, then almost hits the car in front. A selfish driver doesn't check their mirrors and almost gets hit. This SUV driver didn't feel like waiting to merge. This confused old guy weaves across the road and almost hits me. Watch the truck in front, and a Honda burns the red light, then almost provokes a crash. The cop sees everything and orders sweet karma. This guy with a shitty mustache wouldn't allow me to merge and then got back to his place in line and brake checked me. You'd think with all those cameras, they wouldn't struggle to park. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.